Hey guys, today I have another bloom for you. I've been getting pretty great results with my normal cell activator. I use a mixture of Floetrol, Gluol, and Minwax pre-stain. I'll leave a link in the description to the video with those ratios. I can't bring myself to spend the money on the Australian Floetrol, and this has been the best substitute so far. I knew from previous pouring experiments that the Lukas Cryl and Amsterdam pouring mediums produce a ton of cells when mixed with Floetrol in regular acrylic pours. So with that in mind, I got rid of the Gluol in the mix and added a bit of both pouring mediums in its place. I think I might be onto something really good here. I still want to tweak it a little bit before I share an actual recipe with you. Right now, it's hit or miss on cracks forming. I think with a bit of a change in the ratios, I will have something for you guys that will produce cells that are pretty freaking close to the Australian Floetrol results. I have several videos coming up for you guys where I'm testing out this new cell activator. I did a ton of tiles, so right now I'm trying to get everything nice and condensed for you. Some of these are going to blow you away. In the pour I have for you today, I'm using my trusty cake spatula to swipe again. These colors are mixed with the remainder of my Sherwin-Williams high gloss paint and polyacrylic. The colors I'm using today are Ultramarine from Golden, Halo Blue Gold from Jacquard, Indigo from Lukas Cryl. I have Permanent Violet Dark from Golden mixed with some red mica powder. And last but not least, Yellow Orange Azo from Artist Loft mixed with Aztec Gold Pearl X mica powder. I'm using Amsterdam Oxide Black as the cell activator. As you'll be able to see, this is one of the ones that ends up with a crack. Luckily, it's in a spot that I'll be able to easily touch up with a dab of paint. I'm going to keep working with this mixture and get it just right for you guys. I'm really excited about it. These results are just fantastic. As soon as I get full-time results without cracks, I'll share the recipe with you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe. That way you will know when the final ratios come out. I hope you guys enjoy this pour. I love how bright the colors are and the shine is just so lovely. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. That's it from me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.